Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So this is the amount of nail growth I have accumulated since I did these nails. I've had these nails on for about a week and a half and they are looking crusty. The cuticle area crusty. The nail shape is looking a little rough. So we're about to fix that today. We are doing a polygel fill. First we're starting off by filing the nail around the cuticle to get rid of any of the lifted area of the nail. As you can see on my pointer finger, this little corner right here had some lifted areas, so I made sure to really get that filed up. This will ensure that when we apply the new polygel over it, it will have a less chance of lifting. Here are the nails after I filed off any of the lifted areas and filed off the top coat. Now I'm pushing back the cuticles and cutting the cuticles. Now I'm taking my nail dehydrator and painting that over my grown out part of the nail. Now my nail primer and doing the same thing. Now I'm taking my base coat and painting a thin layer on each of the nails, making sure to get really close to that cuticle area, but not too close so I don't flood it. And I'm curing that for 30 seconds. Now I'm taking my 91% isopropyl alcohol and my nude Makartt polygel and adding a bead near the cuticle. I am patting the bead around to fit the cuticle. Now I am softly dragging the polygel to the top of the nail. I'm not worrying too much about getting the polygel onto the green part of my nail because I know I can file that off. And I'm just repeating the same thing on the rest of my nails. You place a bead, you pat it around to fit the cuticle, and then you drag the polygel up to blend in with the rest of the nail. I don't know if I said this in the last video or I told some people in the comments, but I said I was going to post a everything you need to do polygel nails video today. I recorded that video before. Honestly, I don't like it. I think it's kind of boring. It was kind of just rushed. I kind of did it like fast for no reason. Recorded it many days before today. I don't know, I was like acting like I had to be so rushed. I didn't go through and upload it today. I think I'm going to refilm it in a more organized way and probably post it on Saturday this week because it is kind of like an extra video. It's not really a nail set. I can see how maybe some people don't care about it and they just want to see nail sets. So I'll post that on Saturday most likely. So I haven't done a nail fill in general in a long time besides my other hand that I just did. It was pretty much a nail fill. I just changed the whole design of my nail set. I think these nails turned out really good. I actually enjoyed doing a fill rather than starting a whole new set.
That's good.
Now I am just lightly filing the nails. And I've decided to do a glitter look for these nails. I put some glitter on the green part of my nails with some top coat, cured that for 30 seconds, then took my clear Makartt polygel and encapsulated it. I started filing these nails and noticed that where I encapsulated was kind of thick. Like, do you see that shape? What is that? So I instantly knew that this was going to be a problem. So I tried using my e-file to kind of get some of that thickness, but it ended up just filing a lot of the glitters away. And that's what it would have looked like if I kept it. And it's kind of nice, but it's just kind of a weird shape. I ended up taking it off because I didn't like it. So my next idea was to use these butterflies. I was going to use the white butterflies, so I painted some top coat on the tip of my nail and put the butterflies on, but I still wasn't liking it, so I took it off. Now I just gave up on trying to do big designs, so I started shaping the nails. Here's how they look after they've been shaped, and I decided to go in with some simple gems. I put some top coat where I wanted the gems to be, which was on my smile line for my pointer finger, and I added the gems. And I cured that for 30 seconds. Now I'm top coating the nails. I just put some top coat around the gems and go in to the other nails and top coat them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you some knowledge about how to fill nails using polygel. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil. And I'm rubbing that in. And here are how the nails turned out. I think these nails turned out so cute. They're the same base as the French tip video that I did, but they have a different kind of vibe than the ones with the butterflies. This is more of a classy, simple, elegant look, and I quite like it. I hope this video helped you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.